Now when I pull this back, look at how many rocks just come falling right out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are facing one of the hardest tragedies of the C6 Corvette. This plagues all the wide body models as far as I know, and this Grand Sport has the same problem. I am talking about these rocks all inside the quarter panel, which I'm assuming collect from this little gap here in your fender liner, as you can see. And then this thing is absolutely filled with little rocks. Today, I'm gonna see what I can do to fix it. So I'm gonna start off by taking off this 1/7mm here, and then the other that's down here in the little rock collector box. Another 7mm for the air duct. Another 7mm for the liner. Inside the car, in the door jamb, there's some T15s that I'm gonna pop out too. Now here's the solution. So this is very low density foam, so it will allow water to still drain through it, however the rocks will not. So all we're gonna do is just clean up this inside edge and stick a layer or two in here, and that should fix our issue. Now you can see the foam in there. If you can, getting in the light. See the foam in between this rocker right here. And now we can button everything right back up. So now that everything is back together, we have two strips of foam inside here stacked on top of each other to take up that gap. Now water can still go through. It's low density, so no issues there. It might hold a little bit of moisture, but thankfully this isn't going to rust. Rocks, no longer a thing here. They're all going to collect in here, so I'll still have to drop that occasionally, but overall, I think this is a good way to fix it. Now off to the other side, do the same thing. So to get this liner just tucked back, there's 7mm right there, another 7mm, another 7mm. On the bottom, right in this area, another 7mm. Then I took off the door stop, Torx 15, T15, T15. And that gives you just enough room to sneak that out of there. Now when I pull this back, look at how many rocks just come falling right out. It's crazy. Just look. Side 2 all done. Now I'm just gonna put it all back together again. So there you go. That's your fix for your rocks getting all stuck inside your quarters. This will help save your paint from damage and also keep your C6 looking its best. We'll catch you guys next time.